Welcome back to my channel Miss Medicine. In this video, we will discuss about recall questions FMG December 2020. If you are new here, subscribe to the channel. Follow us on Instagram and Facebook. Question number 1. Identify the nerve marked below. Options are radial nerve, median nerve, ulnar nerve and musculocutaneous nerve. The answer is ulnar nerve. Next question. Physiological constrictions of esophagus are all except options are arc of aorta, tracheoesophageal junction, position of thyroid and at the region of diaphragm. The correct answer is position of thyroid. Next question. Which muscle attachment is seen at the marked area? Options are gluteus medius, iliopsoas, gluteus minimus and gluteus maximus. The correct answer is iliopsoas. Next question. After breast surgery, a female presented with a deformity as shown in the given image. Which of the following nerve is involved? Options are suprascapular nerve, subscapular nerve, dorsal scapular nerve and long thoracic nerve. The answer is long thoracic nerve. Next question. Identify the marked tarsal bone in the given radiological image. Options are navicular bone, cuneiform, talus and cuboid. Correct answer is navicular bone. Next question. Identify the tendon shown below. The answer is flexor carpi radialis. Next question. Which type of cartilage is found in a marked structure? The answer is secondary cartilaginous joint. Next question. A patient presented with everted foot and complaining of numbness over dorsal part of foot and lateral aspect of leg. Which nerve injury is suspected in this case? Options are deep peroneal nerve, superficial peroneal nerve, sural nerve and saphenous nerve. The answer is superficial peroneal nerve. Next question. Paresthesia of inner aspect of arm in a patient with cervical rib. Which of the following marked structure is affected? Options are A, B, C and D. The answer is A. I already discussed in previous video anatomy questions. If you are interested in explanation, you can also watch that video. Next question. Structure marked in the image will end in the junction of left jugular vein and subclavian vein. Next question. Patient's relatives are complaining about patient's death and filed a case against the doctor. Which IPC section do you think will be appropriate to punish the medical practitioner? Options are IPC 302, IPC 300, IPC 304B and IPC 304A. The answer is IPC 304A. Next question. Active principle of the image shown below. The answer is hyoscine. Next question. A female who died within 3 years of marriage and this was the case of suspected dowry. Who should perform the inquest in this case? Options are police, village headman, magistrate and judge. The answer is magistrate. Next question. A dead neonate was found in water. The crown heel length was found to be 25 cm. Light hairs were present on the skull with ossification center. Approximate age of fetus is. Options are 3 months, 9 months, 7 months and 5 months. The answer is 5 months. Next question. A man was found to be agitated and shouting at the airport. Later on he fell down. On further checking, his bag was found to have enema apparatus and laxatives. All of the following are true regarding this case except options are he is at risk of poisoning, it's a case of body packer syndrome, abdominal scan is indicated and the person is malingering. The correct answer is the person is malingering. Next question. A person was found dead in bushes with tied arms and legs. Cyanosis of the nails, scratches over face, neck and chin. Lacerations near lips was noticed. Which of the following is not the probable mode of death in this case? Options are throttling, it's a homicide and asphyxia. And the last option, case of a suicide. So, case of a suicide is the answer, which is not the probable mode of death in this case. Next question. A gunshot case brought for autopsy shows an entry wound with inverted margins and surrounded by blackening and tattooing. Burning and signing of hairs is not noted. What is the range of firearm weapon? Options are near, about 2 meters, distant or contact. The answer is near. Next question. A piece of cloth was obtained from a crime scene with some spots. On examination, yellow colored needle shaped crystals were found. Which body secretion it can be? Options are serum, semen, saliva, and CSF. The answer is semen. Next question. Which of the following produces catecholamine storm as seen with scorpion sting? Options are spider, tick, sea urchin, and ciguatera. The answer is spider. Next question. Dead body of a 12-year-old child was found. Which bone would be best for gender assessment? Options are skull, femur, pelvis, and mandible. The answer is pelvis. Next question. A case of RTA was brought for autopsy with stiffness of neck, hands, both upper and lower limbs. What is this condition called? Rigor mortis. Next question. A woman tried to fake the pregnancy and delivery. After some time, she brought a baby claiming it to be her neighbor's child and trying to blackmail him for getting benefit in property. Such kind of child is called as supposititious child. Next question. Enzyme deficiency in von Gierk's disease. The answer is glucose 6 phosphatase. Next question. On centrifugation, LDH gets deposited in cytoplasm. Next question. Patient presents with drying of skin and appears as shown below. Identify the vitamin deficiency. Vitamin B3, niacin. Next question. Complex IV of ETC is inhibited by cyanide. Next question. A 40-year-old man presented with black pigmentation of pinna and sclera of eyes. The color of urine changes to black on long standing. What is the diagnosis? Options are phenylketonuria, maple syrup urine disease, alkaptonuria, and Hartenup disease. The answer is alkaptonuria. Next question. Which of the following is not a micronutrient? Options are zinc, copper, calcium, iodine. The answer is calcium. Next question. Reverse transcriptase is used in RNA amplification. Next question. Nitrogenous waste is excreted from the body in the form of. Options are glutamine, urea, uric acid, and nitric oxide. The answer is urea. Next question. Identify the image. Elephantiasis. Next question. Which nail finding is characteristic for psoriasis vulgaris as shown in the image? The answer is subungual keratosis. Next question. A farmer presented to OPD with a swelling over his palm as shown in the photo. Few months back he got injured with a thorn. What is the presentation given below? The answer is implantation dermoid. Next question. Identify the image shown below. The answer is carbuncle. Next question. A truck driver with history of lesions on penis undergoing treatment presented with rashes. What is the diagnosis? Options are drug eruption, secondary syphilis, TEN, and Steven-Johnson syndrome. The answer is secondary syphilis. Next question. Identify the image. Options are Leishmania cutanea, Lepromatous leprosi, post-Kala-Azar dermatitis, and tubercular leprosy. The answer is Lepromatous leprosy. If you are interested in more images of dermatology or any other subject, you can follow me on Instagram. Next question. A patient presented with hypopigmented rash with satellite lesions as shown in the image given below. The answer is BT. Next question. A patient who was on anticonvulsant medication presented with rashes as shown in the image. What could be the diagnosis? Fixed drug eruption. Next question. Which sign is shown in the given picture? This is Koebner's phenomenon. Next question. An infant presented with inspiratory stridor and the clinical picture shown omega-shaped epiglottis. The probable diagnosis is laryngomalacia. Next question. Identify the image shown below. This is rhinophyma. Next question. What is the best management for atrophic rhinitis? The answer is Young's operation. Next question, true statement about para. The answer is used to detect SNHL. Next question, laryngeal crepitus is seen in all except options are tongue cancer, pneumonia, laryngitis and post-cricoid carcinoma. The answer is post-cricoid carcinoma. Next question, cause of decreased bone conduction on audiogram. Options are ossicular dislocation, cochlear pathology, EAC pathology and fixation of foot plate of steps. The answer is cochlear pathology. Next question, the cause of nasopharyngeal carcinoma is Epstein-Barr virus. Next question, identify the procedure shown below. The answer is cordless maneuver. Next question, the following are responsible for causing croup except options are parainfluenza, pneumocystis cerevisiae, rhinovirus and H influenza. The answer is pneumocystitis cerevisiae. Next question, a patient presented to ER after fracture of base of skull with CSF rhinorrhea. On further investigation, the following image was obtained. What is the name of this sign shown below? Options are squat sign, halo sign, brown sign and Phelps sign. The answer is halo sign. Next question, the most appropriate investigation for JNA is CECT. Next question, a patient presented with bilateral neck swelling or temporoparietal neuralgia and unilateral hearing loss. The diagnosis is NPC. Next question, a child presented with a high arched palate and mouth breathing and failure to thrive. The probable diagnosis is adenoid hypertrophy. Next question, a patient presented with pulsation of the tonsil. The cause is, options are ICA aneurysm, carotid body tumor, aneurysm of external carotid and aneurysm of common carotid. The answer is ICA aneurysm. Next question, a patient complains of frequent perianal pruritus. On microexamination, following image was seen. Find out the most probable causative organism. The answer is Enterobius vermicularis. Next question, a patient with history of travel to Ohio shows lung symptoms. What could be the most common cause? Options are histoplasmosis, mucormycosis, blastomycosis and coccidiomycosis. The answer is blastomycosis. Next question, rice water stools are characteristic of options are Shigella, cholera, E. coli and Salmonella. The answer is cholera. Next question, which of the following is high-level disinfectant? Options are glyceraldehyde, alcohol, lysol and phenol. The answer is glyceraldehyde. Next question, identify the organism stained with India ink stain. The answer is Cryptococcus. Next question, a pregnant woman with malaria presents in front of the doctor. What could be the causative organism? The answer is Plasmodium falciparum. I think this one was the easiest exam ever. Next question, PRP deposition is seen in. The answer is CJD. Next question, a patient presented with colicky abdominal pain, diarrhea and no history of fever. What could be the diagnosis? The answer is Entamoeba histolytica. Next question, a male patient presented with bloody diarrhea. On investigation of stool sample, the organism was found to be gram-negative, non-motile and oxidase negative. What could be the cause? The answer is Shigella. Next question, which of the following microorganisms is having frequent right angle and more than 90-degree angle branching? The answer is mucormycosis. Next question, a 55-year-old female presents with complaints of postcoital bleeding. She is the mother of 6 children and has a history of early marriage. On colposcopic examination, inflamed cervix is seen which bleeds on touch. What is the most probable diagnosis? The answer is cervical cancer. Next question, identify the procedure being done in the image. The answer is Leopold's third maneuver. Question, look at the image and diagnose the condition. The answer is Turner syndrome.
Next question. An 8 weeks pregnant lady with spotting since the start of her pregnancy. On ultrasound gestational sac without fetal pulse seen, what is the probable diagnosis? The answer is threatened abortion. Next question. Treatment for abortion within 16 weeks. Options are methotrexate, misoprostol, danazol, and mifepristone plus misoprostol. The answer is mifepristone plus misoprostol. Next question. 35-year-old female working in a factory presents within 8 hours after a sexual assault by a male colleague. She is at 13 of her menstrual cycle. What should be the emergency contraceptive of choice in her case? The answer is levonorgestrel of 1.5 milligram single dose. Next question. Identify the image. Options are bicornuate uterus, PID, long paraovarian cyst, and hydrosalpinx. The answer is hydrosalpinx. Next question. A G2P1 presents with history of child with Down syndrome. Now her POG is 10 week. What is the best test to diagnose Downs in this case? The answer is amniocentesis and chorionic villi sampling. Next question. Which of the following strain of HPV is more common associated with cervical cancer? The answer is HPV 16. Next question. A 25-year-old married man come to infertility clinic having azoospermia, normal sized testes, FSH and testosterone levels are normal. What could be the reason? The answer is obstruction of vas deferens. Next question. A female in the labor room head has not reached to the ischial spine with 5 cm. Cervical dilatation in 3 hours will be considered at which stage of labor? The answer is latent phase. Image showing a contraceptive device in uterus. The placement is best seen with hysteroscopy. A woman with secondary amenorrhea with history of curettage for abortion, FSH 7 IU per milliliter. What is the likely diagnosis? The answer is uterine synechia. Next question. Identify the image given below. The answer is dichorionic diamniotic twins. Next question. Drug used for endometriosis. The answer is danazol. Next question. Woman with ovarian malignancy. What are all the procedures that can be done except radiotherapy? Next question. A 14-year-old girl presented with primary amenorrhea complains of urinary retention, pain in the abdomen. On history taking, she explained that she has been suffering from cyclical abdominal pain for last 6 months. Examination is seen in the image. What is the diagnosis? The answer is imperforate hymen.